David, hello, it's Benjamin. The 666 is repaired, running, and smoking. That's 4 drops of mineral oil. Anyway, let me show you how to do this as far as the mineral oil. Don't use anything but mineral oil. You can use baby oil. Baby oil is just mineral oil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops is good enough. Let that soak for a second. And what that smoke element is, that smoke generator, it's just a small heating coil. And mineral oil smokes about 127 degrees. It has the lowest smoke point of any natural oil. Anyway, just put some oil on it, let it set for a minute. Take it around. You don't want to use more than 6 drops. But as you see, I think it's really starting to smoke now. And at fairly low speed. So it runs nice, looks nice, it's been lubricated, it's up and running. Of course, you don't have to put oil in it. It doesn't have to smoke. But you can get a bottle of mineral oil for just a few dollars at Walmart. And about 6 drops total. As you see, that thing's really smoking now. It is really smoking. And you need a fairly heavy consist to get it to smoke. As you see. Oh boy. It's putting out plenty of smoke, no doubt. So, it is up and running. I'll do a follow-up video of that transformer I'm going to send. I think you'll be quite pleased with this. See you later.